Yes, first question is cos A is equal to 4 upon 5. Then you have to find tan A. Okay, 4 upon 5 means what? Like you see, like make it one triangle, right triangle ABC. Okay, then what to do? See, cos A is 4 upon 5. Right here, cos A 4 upon 5. This is base upon hypotenuse. So you can say 4k and 5k. Base will be 4k and hypotenuse will be 5k. What will be perpendicular? For perpendicular, what we know? P square is equal to h square minus b square. I am taking out direct p. Okay, under root h square minus b square. What is h square? This is 5 square, 5k whole square. This is 25k square. And what is b square? B is what? This is 4k whole square. This will be 16k square. This is what? 25k square minus 16k square, 9k square, and square root of 9k square is 3k. What you have to find? Tan A. Tan A means what? Perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is coming 3k. Here is 3k. This is base. This is perpendicular. And this is hypotenuse. Okay. So P upon B. P is your 3k. And B is your 4k. This is 3 upon 4. So tan A value is 3 upon 4. Similar question. If sin A is equal to 1 by 2, then cot A is equal to what? We can do by one another method because 1 by 2 is direct value. When we see this 1 by 2 in the table uh, in table, then what we can see, that see here sin A is equal to 1 by 2. This will be your sin 30 degree. Okay, then A will be what? 30 degree. Then cot 30. When you see in the table, you will get cot 30 is root 3. So root 3 will be the answer of it. Yes. If sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Here is given sin theta. It is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 means what? This is your sin 60 degree. So theta will be sin 60 degree. Now come on. Cosec theta is your 60 degree and cot 60 degree. Okay, cosec 60 degree, this will be 2 upon root 3 and cot 60 degree is 1 upon root 3. If I take LCM, so 2 plus 1, this is 3 upon root 3. So what can I write? Root 3, taking rationalization, then what will be the last answer? 3 root 3 upon 3. So we can cut 3 to 3. Last answer is under root 3. Yes. If sin theta is equal to A upon B, then you have to find cos theta. Okay, sin theta A upon B. Sin is what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is this A and hypotenuse is B. What will be base? Base is equal to under root hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. Hypotenuse is what? B square minus A square. Then what is cos theta? A, B, C. Cos theta. This is base will be under root B square minus A square. That is base upon hypotenuse. Base is what? Under root B square minus A square. Hypotenuse is what? B. Then what will be the last answer of cos theta? under root b square minus a square upon b. This is your answer. Yes. Next question is, if 3 cot theta is equal to 4, then you have to find 5 sin theta plus 3 cos theta upon 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay, here is given to you 3 cot theta is equal to 4, then cot theta will be what? 4 upon 3. Clearly? And I have one value here, 5 sin theta plus 3 cos theta upon 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay, I want to convert this in the form of cot theta. If I divide by sin theta in numerator and denominator, then I will convert this whole fraction in terms of cot theta. So I am going to divide by sin theta. See here, 5 sin theta upon sin theta plus 3 cos theta upon sin theta, 5 sin theta upon sin theta minus 3 cos theta upon sin theta. I have another method by the method of this right triangle, but this is easiest one. Sine to sine cut. This is 5 plus 3 cot theta and 5 minus 3 cot theta. 5 plus 3. What is cot theta? 4 upon 3. I am putting 4 upon 3 here. And here 5 minus 3 cot theta. Cot theta is 4 upon 3. 3 to 3 cut. Again 3 to 3 cut. What will be? 5 plus 4 is 9. And 5 minus 4 is 1. So what is the answer is? It is 9. If tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 5, then you have to find the value of tan square theta plus cot square theta. Okay, whatever is given to you, you have to take out its square. I am taking square both the side. Tan theta plus cot theta whole square. And what is the square of 5? It is 5 square. This is just like a plus b whole square, no? What is a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Come on. A square plus 2ab plus b square. This is your 25. Tan theta into cot theta is what? 1. And sin plus 2 that side. So tan square theta plus cot square theta, that is 25 minus 2, it is your 23. This is your sixth question. What is the answer of tan square theta plus cot square theta is 23. Yes. Question number 7. If tan x is equal to 3 cot x, then you have to find value of x. Okay, I am writing tan x 3. Cot x I am writing in terms of 10. 1 upon 10. Okay, then cross multiply. Tan x into tan x, this will be tan square x is equal to 3. Then tan x will be what? Under root 3. If tan x is under root 3, then under root 3 in the table just you can see, you will get tan 60 degree. Then what will be the value of x? This is 60 degree, and 60 degree is your answer. I am writing 60 degree here. Yes, come on. Sec square 60 degree minus 1. Okay. What is the value of sec 60 degree? When you see in the table, you will get 2. Okay, 2 is the value. Then take its square and it is minus 1. 2 square is what? 4. Okay, and then minus 1. That is 3. One more question. 1 plus sine 60 value is what? It is root 3 upon 2 and here is square. Okay, cos 30 degree, again it is root 3 upon 2 square. Then what will be? 1 plus root 3 square is 3, 2 square is 4, 3 upon 4. And take LCM. 4 plus 3 plus 3. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 upon 4. After simplification, 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. 5 upon 2 is your answer. If 2 cos 3 theta is equal to 1, then you have to find value of theta. What will be cos 3 theta? This will be 1 by 2. And what is value of 1 by 2 in cos line? Just you see, this will be your cos 60 degree. Just you eliminate cos here. Then what will be? 3 theta is equal to 60 degree. Theta is equal to what? 60 degree upon 3. This is 20 degree. Now I am writing answer. Theta is equal to 20 degree. Question number 11. Very important one. If sin a plus b equal to 1, cos a minus b equal to root 3 upon 2, where a is greater than b, then you have to find angle b also. Okay. Sin a plus b equal to 1. See in the table, sine table, and see 1, when 1 is coming, you will get 1 at sine 90 degree. Okay, when you eliminate the sign, you will get a plus b is equal to 90 degree. And here cos a minus b is equal to root 3 upon 2. And just check root 3 upon 2 in table and cosine. This will be your cos 30 degree. And eliminate this, you will get a minus b is equal to 30 degree. Then by linear equation with two variables, b to b cut, 2a is equal to 120 degree, a will be 60 degree, and put value of a in equation number 1. Equation 1 is what? A plus b is 90. This is your 60 degree. Okay, then b will be what? 90 degree minus 60 degree. That is your 30 degree. Then 30 degree is your answer. Or if triangle ABC is right angled at C, then you have to find cos